Have you ever felt like your mind is full of thoughts, jumping around like a monkey, never sitting still, never giving you peace? No matter what you do, your mind keeps wandering, and you just can't calm it down. If that sounds familiar, then today's story is for you. This simple yet powerful Zen story teaches how to calm your restless mind without fighting your thoughts. So stay with me till the end and discover the secret to true peace. Once, a man came to a Zen master and said, "Master, my mind is always full of thoughts. I feel restless and tired. Can you give me a mantra to calm my mind?" The master looked at him kindly and said, "Meditation will help you, but it takes patience and practice. Sit quietly every day, and your mind will slowly become peaceful." But the man quickly replied, "Master, I've tried meditating, but it only makes my thoughts worse. The moment I close my eyes, I'm filled with negative thoughts. Please, just give me a mantra instead." The master nodded, smiled, and leaned closer to whisper a mantra in his ear. But before the man left, the master said one thing: "Remember, don't think of a monkey while chanting this mantra. If you do, it won't work." The man promised he wouldn't. But as soon as he started chanting, something strange happened. He couldn't stop thinking about monkeys. The more he tried to avoid the thought, the stronger it became. Every time he closed his eyes, he saw monkeys jumping, laughing, and running around in his head. By night, he was exhausted. No matter how hard he tried, the monkeys wouldn't leave his mind. He felt like he was losing control. Frustrated, he rushed back to the master the next morning. "Master," he cried, "your mantra doesn't work. Now I can't stop thinking about monkeys." The Zen master smiled calmly and said, "Stop chanting. Sit down and just relax." The man obeyed. He stopped forcing himself to control his thoughts. And slowly, the monkeys disappeared. His mind became quiet and peaceful. The master then said gently, "This is how the mind works. The more you try to fight thoughts, the more they grow. Real peace doesn't come from control. It comes from observation. When you watch your thoughts without reacting, they lose their power. Let your thoughts come and go, just like clouds drifting across the sky." The man finally understood. He realized that peace was never about forcing silence. It was about learning to let go. Friends, the lesson here is simple. Don't fight your thoughts, and don't try to stop them. Just watch them calmly, and they will fade on their own. Meditation is not about stopping the mind. It's about understanding it. When you practice daily, you'll notice your thoughts becoming lighter, your focus becoming stronger, and your heart becoming more peaceful. So today, take a few minutes to sit quietly. Watch your thoughts and let them pass. You'll discover that peace was always within you, waiting for you to stop chasing it. Thank you for listening. If this story helped calm your mind, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more peaceful and inspiring stories every week. And remember, you don't need to fight your thoughts to find peace. You only need to observe them and let them go.